Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix ChromeOS is missing or damaged on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So in such case, whether your device is turned on or off, you're gonna have to press and hold escape and refresh keys at the same time, and while holding them down, short press the power button. This will boot your device directly into the recovery mode, and starting from here you can perform a reinstallation of the operational system. You can either use a recovery image for it. We have a separate video on how to prepare one of those for your computer. In such case, if in order to use it, you simply have to insert your recovery image into one of the USB ports of your device. And if you don't want to do this, you can also use the down arrow icon to switch to recovery using internet connection, then press enter, and then simply connect to the Wi-Fi network and press enter several times to begin the OS reinstallation using Wi-Fi. So it's pretty simple. I'm not going to go all the way through, but yeah, basically once you are connected to the network, just press enter several more times, and after that the factory reset is being performed, and it takes around 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna power off this computer, but you know what to do. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.